All Pro Exterior Services here again. The Gutter King. Got another call for some gutters. Got a quick, easy one here. And then, Tony, come see. And then, little section in the back here. And we upsold them on a house wash and driveway, but they're not doing it yet. So what we're gonna do, these things are connected with a roof. Right. So we're gonna allow to get up, blow this one out, and I'm gonna unscrew the downspout because that downspout goes to a French drain over here.
Okay. So we're only doing like that?
Well, you do that. Let's go walk the side. We're gonna do all this, and the ladder's kind of out a little far because it's funny angles here, but we got some debris on this side. We're gonna check out these downspouts. Got some debris on this side. Check out these downspouts. And look, we got two sections in the front. Right here. Right here's one of them, and the other one's right here. You understand me? So yeah, anyway, again, if you don't have gutter cleaning on your SEO, Google websites or whatever, and you want calls, put it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the roof and check it out. They're blowing it off. You can see it's clogged up with pine needles, which is all pine straw back here. Still haven't got the blower yet. I've been so busy. So I'm gonna take off these downspouts. We're gonna run some water through them, make sure they're clear, and I'm gonna do the one in the back. This is the French drain I was telling you guys about. It's tapped into this drain pipe here. Runs out back this little ditch, so it's clear. You should make sure the inside's clear. All right, guys, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. All the gutter's cleaned out. I'm just pulling a 9 gallon a minute over here. Try to get some flow in here.
You want me to just stand right here?
Yeah, it's fine. Try to get some flow in this bad boy, so just try to clean them out. All we do is press the water in here. Got the M5 twist. Open up all the way. You got it, Tony? I ain't hit it yet. All right, ready? Run it in there, baby. Clean it out. What you say in the back? Go look in the back.
I just was.
Oh, by the ditch?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, take this. Alright, and we're gonna go hit this other little side here. Clean it out. It wasn't too bad. Had some pine straw congregating by the stick it in there facing this way and shoot it. And I'll show you where it drains to in this little ditch. Comes out of this little ditch here in this little ditchy area. I don't see any water. May have bigger problems here. I can't get back here. I guess I could jump this fence, but we'll see. Anyway, that's the drainage problem. We don't do drainage. We do clean gutters. Everything getting to the drain pipe is clear. Put them clams in there. What kind of ditch is this? Maybe an oyster. Maybe an oyster. A crawfish. Alright guys, let me go help Tony out and try to figure this out. Catch up with you on a rebound. Alright guys, done that job. I'm just rinsing off because that's what we do. Any debris that may have come off the gutters and onto the house. We want the customer to be happy. Like right there, look. So we get it all off. And yeah, like I said, we got the house wash on lock. It's gonna call us back maybe a month or two. Do the house wash and a driveway. Alright guys, catch up. Peace. Got called out here for a gutter cleaning. Got some growth growing out the gutters. They just got gutters on the front and back. While I was here, just to let you know, still a walk around. I upsold them. Well, I always present a package, so they call me for gutters. I said, well, look, your driveway's dirty. By the way, your house is dirty. So always do a package deal, you know what I mean? Like, package A, you call me for gutters. Boom, here you go. Package B, gutters and driveway. package C, gutters, driveway, house. So it kind of, here's the back side of it. So you can see you got some heavy growth. You could walk this, most of that, so it won't be a bad gutter job. They bid on package B, the middle package, but it was an upsell from what they called me from. That's what it's about. Got the water hooked up, running some. I'm gonna hit the pressure. I'm gonna hit the concrete. Anthony's gonna start on the gutters. Try to knock this out pretty quick. So we'll catch up with you. I'm gonna put a downstream, a post-treat. I mean a pre-treat, and a post-treat downstream. So we're gonna use the beast today. Anthony's already up there checking it out. See what he can come up with. Anthony. So he's already up there. All right, let me catch back up with you. I'm gonna get my hose on my reel, get the beast ready, and roll. All right, just putting a little water on the edge here, just to help, even though we're using a 1% downstream mix. Well, 0.85 really, but it don't hurt. We haven't had rain here in a couple days. Just putting a little something on there. Again, we don't try to soak it to the point to where, you know, we don't try to overspray on our downstream, so we're good. I already hit that area right there, so let's turn our soap on. Soap on. And I've been using that valve, I told you guys. That 3/8 valve. Let me open this up a little bit, hold on. There you go. That little 3/8, what valve is it? That banjo valve. Seems to open a lot quicker. Not that that matters on the back side of it, you know. There we go, we got soap. So again, we're just putting a little something on here. We ain't trying to saturate the whole area, just get some of that heavy organic growth. A lot of people don't like the downstream on a pre-treat. It works for me. You do what works for you. So we're gonna go ahead and hit all this real quick, let it marinate. Got some rain maybe coming, so we're trying to get this done on a quick. And I always come back and rinse my garage door, because guess what, you're getting overspray all over it. So all right guys, let me finish this up, catch up with you. Peace. On that downstream post treat, got that eliminator in there, smelling good. Doing a light post treat. Get rid of some of those marks if we have any, but I know we don't because we did that circular motion. But it also helps with the with any growth coming back. So looking good. Took us about 20 minutes to do this driveway with the beast. And yeah, hasn't rained on us yet, so maybe it passed. So we're just trying to get it done so we can get back to the house, enjoy the rest of the evening. That's what it's about. All right, guys, let me go finish this. Hit the back patio. Tony's on the back gutters, and we're done. All right, peace. Hey guys, what's up? On the back patio here, just got this little section. We'll knock it out. We're almost done with the gutters. Got a little bit left, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Call it a day. Trying to beat the rain. Doing my circular motions, using my little M5 twist with the short gun to catch the ends, the edges, which I hate to do, by the way. But anyway, that's what I'm doing because I don't feel like going to get another gun. So we'll wrap this up. Been soaking for about 10 minutes with some pre-treat downstream, and we're gonna roll it out. All right, peace. Everything done. Here's the results. Got the gutters clean. Again, they didn't choose the house wash, so we're not cleaning the exterior. We just did the flat work. Came out nice. And the back patio and the walkway. We also did all this. Came out nice, but they got some growth on here that's stubborn. I put a little bit of hot stuff on it, but didn't move it. See the growth? I don't know what's up with that. Must be in the concrete. I don't know. I may try to hit it again with a little quick mix. All right, guys. Catch up with you on a wrap up. Peace. The house, finishing it up. It is 5:42. Wrapping it up. I'm just gonna play around with this blower a little bit. It's starting to bog down underneath the under a load, so it's probably fuel related issues. And change the fuel filter, clean the plug up, and adjust the carb a little bit. And I may get some sea foam running through it just to kind of help clean it out, clean the carbon off, and see. If not, I'm going to buy a new one. I'm tired of fooling with it. Got everything covered up. Anyway, please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.